Now see second topic in first chapter, real numbers. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. In short form we have to write it FTA, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. See what is the statement here? Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. Listen here from year to year important here, from year to year very important. Remember this one. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. Means what? We have to know the composite number and prime number. Composite number means what? What is the composite number? Composite and prime number. These two definitions we have to know. Composite number means which number is divisible by at least 3 numbers. That number is called a composite number. See this definition also there our channel. Once you check it, composite number you click, you will get the definition. For example, see here 4 is there. 4 will come in one table, 2 twos are 4 and 4 tables. So 4 is divisible by 3 numbers, 1, 2 and 4. Suppose 6 there. 6 take means 6 is divisible by see 1 6 are 2 3s are 3 2s are 6 1. So minimum a number is divisible by at least 3 numbers. Otherwise a number have at least 3 factors. That is called a composite number. So 4 and 6 are a composite numbers. Now what is the prime number? Prime number means what here? A number is divisible by only 1 and itself. 1 and itself. For example, see, suppose I am taking here 2. See, 2 is there. 2 is divisible by, see, 1 twos are 2 twos are. Any other table it is divisible? No. Again you take a 3. 3 also, see 1 table and 3 table. Their prime numbers have only 2 factors, that also 1 and itself. Suppose 5 take 5 also 1 table 5 table, 7 1 table 7 table. So this type of numbers are called prime numbers. So you once our channel have this definition also. If you want, you click this prime number, you will get definition. So now see here, according to our statement, see every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. Suppose here first example, see here 30 is there. So 30 is the composite number. See 30, how we have to write? See, we can write now 30 will come in 2 table now. 2 15 jar. So here you take the prime number only. Here see here prime number, first prime number 2 is there, 2 I take it. Next 15 will come in 2 table, not come. So next which table will come? Next prime number what? 3. So here 3 5s are 15. 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number, 5 also prime number. So we can write here these all numbers are prime numbers. So product of primes 30 equal to 2 into 3 into 5. So every composite number expressed as a product of primes, and it is unique. Unique means we can write only this model only we can write. We have to take in order, we have to take and write this one. Okay, next year 24 also there. See 24 will come in 2 table. Take 2 12s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 24. Again 2 table will come now. 2 6s will come. Again 2 table will come now. 2 3s are 3 also prime number. You stop here only. See, we can write here 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Product of primes. Product means multiplication. Next, again here 2 10 is there. Here last digit is 0, then compulsory it is divisible by 2. Otherwise 7 3s also you can take, nothing will happen. 7 also prime number na you can take. Okay, so here we can write here 7 3s are 21. Here 0 then 0 right here. Now you can write na 3 10 will come na, 3 10 you write it. Next 5 2s also we can write 5 2s are 10. These all are prime number. Only here compulsory you should take the prime numbers. But when you are writing product, you write in order. 2 10 equal to. In this first prime number, what you have 2 there is na 2 writing. 2 into. Next prime number 3 writing. 3. Next what here 5. Next here 7. This is the product of primes. So very important. If you know this fundamental theorem of arithmetic, you will get the next finding HCF of the numbers by using prime factorization method, and LCM also we will get. So you learn properly. Next some example I will explain. Once you observe here, now see here 8232 is there. Take here 8232. See here, last digit is 2 there, so it is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are means see here also 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 means here 1 then 2 12. 2 6s are. Again last digit is 6 there, so it is divisible by 2. So divisibility rules we have to know. This divisibility rules also there our channel. Once you check it, that one also. If you know this divisibility rules, you will get little easy do this problems. So again 2 table. 2 10, 2 20s are 2 20s are 40. Here 11 is there. So 2 5s are 10. Here 16. 2 8s are 16. Next 20. 2 10s are 20. Here 2 2s are 4. Here 1 8 18. 2 9s are 18. Next last digit 9 there, so it is not divisible by 2. Next what here 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 9 12. So 12 is multiple of 3. So it is divisible by 3. Take here 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 1 here. 1 to there, here 2 there. 2 6s are 12. Next here 3 3s are 9. Next again 3 table will come now. So take here 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 1s are. So here what you got here 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 1 4. So sum of the digits you got 4. So 4 is not a multiple of 3. So it is not coming 3 table. So next 121 means we can take now 11 ja 121. So 11 also prime number. So you stop here only. So we can write here 8232 equal to, how we have to write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. Stop this. Next here 2016 is there. Take here 2016. This question came in June 2016. SSC public examination. So learn to see. See here again here 2 table we can take now 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. here 20 there, 200 you take. 200 ja 200, 200 ja 200. Here 16 is there na, 2 8 ja. Next again 2 table you take. 250 is a 100. 2 4s are 8. Next 2 2s are 4. Here 1. 5 minus 4. 1 here 0 there. 2 5s are 10. Here 2 2s are. Next 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1 6 12. 2 6s are 2 6s are 12. Next 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. Next see, so not term, this you take the 3 table you take. 3 2s are 3 1 ja. Again 3 7 ja 21. See, you can write now 2016 equal to, see 1 2 3 4 5 there now. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5. Next 3 7 and then 3 into 3 into 7. Maybe this year, next coming exam, maybe this chance will be there. 2020 will come. Why means here June 2016 you got na this problem, so maybe chance will be there. You learn about this. See here 2020. So 2 table you can take now here. Two 10 ja 20. 2 10 ja 20. Next 250s are 100. 2 5s are 250s are 100. 2 5s are 10. Again this one will come in 5 table na. 5 10 ja 5 1 ja. So 101 will not come any table. So 101 is the prime number. So we can write here 2020 equal to, what we have to write here? 2 into 2 into 5 into 101. So this model we have to do. So this one is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So you should practice in textbook problems. If you get any doubt, you have to comment, I will explain. So some homework I will write here side once you note down this. See this homework to do it. This is exercise 1.2. Express the following as a product of prime numbers. So this first one is the 140, second one is 156, third one is 3825. This problem came in June 2015 came. This one came June 2016. Fourth problem 5005. Fifth problem 7429. You practice more problems. So I have given in model papers also given. SSC public examination model papers are given. Chapter wise I given. So first chapter problems I given. Once you search and in the belonging to this model means which this model there means you do it. If you get any doubt, how to comment. So this especially this Rankers Academy for average students only will get the maximum marks in 10th class. So please subscribe to this channel, and if you get any doubt, you comment it. I will explain in next video. Thank you.